When not properly protected, water can infiltrate into your home, causing costly water damage that can put the health of your family and property at risk. Mold growth in a home is often much worse than it may appear and can cause serious health problems. It is important to take steps to prevent water infiltration and mold growth in your home. Fortunately, there is a simple, easy-to-install solution: the SureSill Integrated Flashing System. SureSill is a sill pan installed underneath windows and doors to prevent water damage by draining it to the outside. The sloped recessed design drains water away from your home, while integrated ridges provide continuous support for windows and doors. SureSill can be customized to fit any rough opening and is backed by a 10-year warranty to protect your home for many years to come. Installation is simple. To install, cut SureSill 1/4 inch shorter than the rough opening. Apply PVC cement to the end of SureSill and slide the corner piece onto the end. Then repeat this process for the other end. Next, apply 3 beads of sealant as shown. Set SureSill on wet sealant and screw corners into place. SureSill is the #1 solution to prevent mold and water damage to your home. SureSill's easy installation and warranty make it an ideal choice. Protect your home from the dangers of water intrusion by installing SureSill below every window and door.